Warning: these golden, extra crispy fried plantains will ruin regular snacks forever. And when you dunk them into that thick, rich, flavor-packed sauce that hugs every bite, pure heaven. Be honest, are you craving this right now? Let's make that sauce. Thick, bold, and loaded with flavor. Made with fresh bell peppers, onions, spicy scotch bonnets, a touch of marinara, and a hit of Haitian épices. It's not just a dip, it's the star of the plate. Look at this crispy golden plantain, dipped in lemon salt water before frying for that perfect crunch, that flavor boost, that irresistible bite. Look at these golden, crispy plantains, perfectly crunchy on the outside, tender inside, and dipped into that thick, bold, flavor-packed sauce. Perfect as a snack or appetizer that will have everyone reaching for more. Who's ready to dig in? Save this recipe, share it with your foodie crew, and don't forget to like and follow for more irresistible bites. #Golden Crispy Dip.